Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about SoFi Bank. They are offering a double stack bonus of 625. These are two bonuses, which are really not that hard to take advantage of, and this is a nationwide offer. Super excited to share this with y'all. Before I jump into too many details, I do have a quick disclaimer. So I am a customer of SoFi from I think 2017 or 2018. I'm not affiliated or endorsed by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. The information in this video is current as of time of recording. These videos are not short, but definitely are very profitable. Use this information at your own risk. This is called fishing and not catching. And as is everything in life, your mileage may vary. So a couple quick plugs before jumping in. So John, which is me, has invited you to Groundfloor. If you make your first investment with them of $100, you'll get a $50 bonus in 30 days. So they gave me a customer referral link. Here's a QR code, link in the description box down below, or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. Chase, if you haven't taken advantage of theirs, you can do this every 2 years. It's about as easy as having the fish jump into your mouth like my friend the bear behind here. So $300 bonus, full link, full details video right there. And I don't know if this is the actual Laurel, but 1 day savings account bonus. This thing's still going on. $200. Basically, it's a money transfer offer. You have your money there for literally 1 day. You get $200. So link to that video is right there for full details. And Chime, $100 bonus. They don't care about checks. Quick and easy bonus. Link to that video right there. All right, so for SoFi, they are available nationwide. The checking offer expires 1/31/2026, so definitely have time to take advantage of this. So here's what they have is over 10 million members and counting since 2011. So there's two offers. The first one's a checking offer. Here's the referral link to that. I don't think anybody actually wants to open up a new tab and type all that in. So got a QR code. Link in the description box down below, or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. So when you click that link, I don't know why it says false, but that's just what they gave me. Anyway, so here's what it says. John wants you to get $325 and pay no account fees. What else? Up to 3.80 APY, early payday, get covered up to $50 and no account fees. So love it. What's inside the gift box? Money, bonuses. Take advantage of it. So what does better banking look like? I do love SoFi. They're one of my main accounts for different reasons. Really like their investment platform. Up to 3.8 APY, early payday, no account fees, FDIC insurance up to $2 million. Here's how to get the checking bonus. So earn $25 for using the referral link. Set up direct deposit, wait for it to hit your account, 2 to 4 weeks. Earn $50 to $300 depending on your direct deposit amount. So how the math works on this is once you get your first direct deposit, you got 25 days on top of that to add additional direct deposits. If your total is between $1,000 to $4,999, you get $50. If you have $5,000 or more, you get $300. So SoFi, they are kind of strict as to what they call a direct deposit. I'm a high school math teacher. My direct deposit worked fine for that. So, all right. So just like chips pair well with queso, a 325 SoFi checking bonus pairs well with a $300 SoFi personal loan bonus. I've made money off of both of these, and it's really not that hard. So the SoFi personal loan bonus. So this is part 2 of what SoFi is currently offering. It's available nationwide except for Vermont. There is no expiration date listed. So here is the second referral link here, and once again, I don't think anybody wants to open a new tab and start typing all that in. So I got a link in the description box down below, or you hit the QR code, or you can always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com, and I'll gladly send you this link. So when you click the link, here's what it says. John wants you to get a $300 bonus with a SoFi personal loan. Say goodbye to high interest debt or finance home improvements with no fees required, low fixed rates, and 7-day funding. Plus we'll get a $300 bonus. So here is not offered to Vermont. You must keep the account active and good standing for at least 90 days to get the $300 bonus. They do pay it out rather quickly. So here's how the math works with that. You may be thinking 90 days. I gotta. What about interest? What about interest? What about interest? Wouldn't interest bite into what you got? Well, not really. If you do the math right, we'll talk about the math in a minute. So the gist of the fine print is SoFi and Chase are like on complete different spectrums in regards to referrals. So Chase, if you have you have a referral for a checking account, a business checking account, a credit card, different credit cards, and you can get bonuses for all of those. SoFi, you can get a bonus for like a checking account, and then you can also get one for a loan. So that's basically all the bonuses you can really get. You can get two bonuses, but they have to be two complete different things. Like only one referral reward and one welcome bonus per customer. That's for your checking account, credit card, and stuff like that. And then you can also get another one for, would say, with the exception of the, you will not receive multiple referral bonuses for the same friend taking advantage of multiple promotions. Don't really friend earn multiple bonuses for taking advantage of multiple promotions unless they are for a new, closed, and unsecured installment loan, which your friend has previously not obtained. So you can take advantage of both the checking bonus and the loan bonus in their fine print. So there used to be an obvious mention of not being able to prepay the loan off too quickly. I don't see that anymore. Now it's you got to keep it open for 90 days. So that's really not that big of a deal because you're going to get a payment. So the minimum is, I think, $5,000. And here's what it looks like to get your view your rate. So first name, last name, state, email. This does not affect your credit at all. Viewing your rate won't affect your credit score. So put in the information, click view my rate. And you gotta put what you're interested in it for. Typically, I just put for home improvement. And then ask information about you, which I'm already in because I've been a customer since like 2017 or 2018. Would you like to apply with a credible co-borrower? I put nope, just me. And then I asked for 10,000, and they ended up giving me. I hit check my rate. And building rates for your project. Congrats, let's boost your home value with a $52,500 pre-approval. So the minimum is $5,000 and you got to keep it open for 3 months. So in a $5,000 note, your monthly payment should be about $100 per month ish. So basically what you do is, first off, you get the SoFi checking account. You get that bonus. And then they're going to ask you, where do you want your loan to go to? You want it to fund to the SoFi checking account. So instantly, so let's say you get a $5,000 loan. Instantly, you pay off $4,500. So now you have interest not on $5,000, you have interest on $500. So your first month, you pay $100 something out of the checking account to pay your monthly fee. So first month, second month, third month, you'll pay off the whole thing. You'll keep it open 90 days. You get your $300 bonus. You end up paying like $10, $15 in interest. So it's really not that bad. So here is a link to the offer, the loan offer, if you're interested in that. QR code, link in the description box down below. They do pay out rather quickly. Or you could always email me at Churning Adventures. And the link to the checking offer is right here. Take advantage of both of them. That's $625. So take advantage of what they have to offer. I mean, if you take advantage of one, might as well take advantage of the other. So bank account bonus central verdict. There are so many different ways to profit from opportunities, including getting a personal loan and the checking account. I've gotten bonuses for both. So join me and take advantage of what SoFi has to offer. I still do have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, criticisms, always email me, churningadventures@gmail.com, and I will get back to you rather quickly. So today's question, what is God seeking after? That's an interesting question because Jesus specifically talks about this in the book of John, chapter 4. Jesus says, the hour is coming and is now here when the true worshipers will worship the Father in spirit and truth, for the Father is speaking such people to worship him. So he's looking for people to worship him in the power of the Holy Spirit and truth. You can't worship based upon lies. So Additional information, how to follow GOTQuestions.org. Link in the description box down below if you're interested. If you're still here with me, definitely appreciate that. Like the video if you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this with anybody who would be able to benefit from it. Subscribe with bell notifications so you can be the first to take advantage of such profitable opportunities. With that, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.